Some people consider it to be Southwestern. Some people consider it to be Midwest. What do you consider it to be?
I would say it's a little bit of both. I would say the South because we're right above Texas, uh, and it's the Southwest. Texas ain't nothing but 3 hours down the road. So we influenced by the South Sound, we influenced by the UGK, the Houston Sound, but we also are influenced by the Cali Sound, the West Coast Sound. And so I would say Southwest. I mean, that's pretty accurate.